Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to apply for a personal loan on Twoguysfinance. All right, it's gonna be a really quick video. We're not gonna waste any time at all. I'm just gonna give you guys a quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's jump straight into it. Now the first thing you're going to do is to go to the Twoguysfinance website, and then you're going to click on loans, and then you're going to click on personal loans. Now here you're going to review the eligibility criteria as well as the loan terms. Now if you're eligible, you can go ahead and click apply now, and then you're going to need to fill out the online application form. In that form, you're going to need to provide required documentations such as proof of income as well as means of identification. Next, you're going to review and agree to the loan terms and conditions. Make sure you read that carefully so you know what you're getting into. But once that's done, you will receive a loan decision, and if it's approved, if your loan is approved, you're going to need to review and sign the loan documents. Once that's taken care of, you're going to receive the loan funds in your account, and you're going to set up a repayment plan, and basically you're going to use that to make timely payments. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to apply for a personal loan through Twoguysfinance. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll catch you guys